Hello, everyone, and it has been such a delightful, what to say, coincidence, one can say, or life brings us to the moment when we are ready, maybe, they say that you need to have a guide to find your path, but how does one find a guide when one doesn't know the path or whatever? So when we are ourselves ready, then light appears, guide appears, maybe like that. So yeah, that's how I met Poorani ji, and this life mastery journey also was very, very wonderful, in the sense that the various facets of life, be it your relationships, be it your wealth, your health, your, and one of the most important, thing is your own spirit. So that spiritual mastery. So all the facets of life that one goes through and masters in this whole journey of life mastery, these whole 5 weeks, they're tremendous. And for everyone who might not have had this chance to do it and wants to take, I would suggest that all the instructions that you get, or all the exercises that you get to do, when one does it wholeheartedly, the affirmations, I can see the difference even if I do it for, one day, and I can even see the difference if I do not do it for one day. So it depends on how you work on yourself. Food is served, right? Now when food is served, then you have to eat it by your own hands, right? You are given by nutritionist, you are given whole list that this is how you are supposed to eat, this is how you are supposed to go about your whole day, but you have to do it on your own self also, right? And that's how the wonders happen. And I'm very, very thankful to Poorani ji and to whole batch also. Batch was tremendous. Batch is tremendous. I have got, like lifelong friends I have. My daughter would also be there during that time when I would be having the sessions. So she also would imbibe few things which she would later on share with the family members. And this is something that I look for, to teach her myself. She is just learning it by listening only. So that is what we mothers aspire for. And that's wonderful. And I'm thankful for everything. Thank you so much. And this has enabled me to, understand that yes, I am the master of my life.